Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, and I'm excited. I'm just so excited I can hardly talk. That's a 12 by 12 inch canvas, pre-primed. I just did an 8 by 10 bloom-esque. It was so blooming, and I just didn't have, I don't know where that white flaky paint came from, but I want it to go away. Anyway, so we're going to do it on a 12 by 12, and I think I'm going to do most of the same things that I just did. I'm going to give myself a fairly decent layer of white paint in the center. I want a central area surrounded by black, so I'm trying to make it big enough, kind of in a very awkward way. And it's looking like a lot like I need to go ahead and torch, because there's a lot of bubbles in there. I'm going to use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and just scrape that paint right in there. Throw those both in the bucket, grab a new tool. This is Mead Black and Mead White paint, and these are on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is below the link tree underneath the video. The Mead Black is the most black you can get. I changed my recipe for the Mead Black just a little bit and the white by adding like 1 or 2% water. And usually for regular things it sells. In this particular video I'm going to be using the Amsterdam Black. I used more paint than I needed, but I think it's okay since it's a bloom. It's definitely bloom. It's just a house paint free bloom. I see that thing that needs to go away though. Come here, thing that needs to be removed. Alright, so I'm not worried about that. I don't really want to pull the white in there yet. I may. I had a tool all made up for the other video and I never used it. I'm just going to quick like a bunny use whatever paint I have left over to touch up my edges. And a little goes a long, long way with this Mead. And it is not going to make any difference at all, I do not believe, if that circle is not a circle. At all. Although, if I had some more white, and I do, I could just squeeze it into that gap, which might be good since I had a fair amount of paint, but not huge amount of paint in my last piece. I'm going to wipe off my spatula and put it in the bucket. I wipe it off on my Lolify silicone mat. So this time I'm going to start with the electric blue. I've got some leftover dioxazine purple I hope is still mixed. Come on. Okay, it's not coming out, but we'll use it anyway. That's looking very heavy. This is my Folk Art Neon Purple Multi-Surface Acrylic. I'm going to go a little bit of gold. I've got a bunch of colors to use up. I've been draining bottles so I could do new stuff. Ooh, that was a lot of paint. Alright, well this is how we're starting no matter what. So I grabbed a pipette, and I'm going to do it again. And I might put some more in there. This is the Amsterdam Black with if there's 2 ounces of instant Amsterdam Black, it's mixed up with my regular pouring recipe, which includes Floetrol and GAC 800 and is right under the video. And then into that 2 ounces of mixture, then I add 10 drops of pre-stain wood conditioner from Minwax, which is on my Amazon link. I don't like that. I still don't like it. So I'll just add some more black. Which I think will be fine as soon as I finish, because then I'll know better. I want some green. I had some green. Oh, look at those cells popping. And the colors, oh boy. This is a Folk Art Neon Pink. This is, I never did torch. Oh well. This is something I call Velveeta because I added yellow to orange from Master's Touch. That's an orange with some iridescent pearl fine in it. You know I'm going to want some purple. These are much larger sizes than I did the last time. It's getting better. I kind of want maybe a dot of white in the center there. Maybe here. That's the Anita's white metallic. I will fix that. Maybe it wants some of my actual neon purple. That worked well. I think I want to come over here and try this without. That is the electric blue from Arteza. This is a color I had left over that I made up. I am going to put some of the Prism Pour Hot Orchid in there. This is going to be interesting because there's no white paint under there. And that's not bad. It's coming along. Put a little tiny bit more in there. Come on. Alright, so I haven't used any red, and I'm really scared of red. But I want to try it in combination with a few other things that might work. Including some gold. Pretty sure my blowing technique can improve quite a bit. Looks a lot like a poppy. Okay, so what do I feel like I'm missing? I kind of want to use this color I like over here. I haven't used any yellow and I kind of want to. The cells are just tremendous. And I am finding out I can get away with something. I want my better straw. There we go. Kind of want a dabble do me of orange. Definitely like using the pipette to apply the paint, black paint. I think what I want is to try a dot of the white base paint that I'm using. That was the green gold from Folk Art. This is the Chrysocolla from Color Art. This is a Venetian blue from Modern Masters. That is again my new favorite, Folk Art Neon Purple Multi-Surface Acrylic. I don't know if there's anything any better than these, but I think it could work better. For sure. I know you're supposed to tip these things, but this is definitely not the kind that you tip. I'm just going to keep right on going until I feel like I'm done. I might be tempted to put a little bit of greenery around the outside edge, but I don't know if I'll do that today or tomorrow. How small can I go? Pretty small. I want some more balance. I want some more prism pour. That's a little better. I'm getting somewhere. I think something here. I've really only been successful doing this today, so I'm learning as I go. That was the Golden Hour, which is a pearl metallic from Arteza. That does keep coming out as a bubble. There we go. Oh, that's getting better all the time. Makes me want to put a little dot of that over on the other side. I wonder if I could do that with the... That gives me 2 minutes to tell you guys. Come on. That I do sell my artwork, and you can find my email address below the link tree. Gee, I don't know what would happen if I tried my airbrush. Maybe that'll be the next piece I do. I think I want one more down here. I might want to put a little green around that just because I haven't tried it like that before. Where's my, yep. That's the neon pink again. That's the hot orchid. I wonder what a little white would be like in there. Try a little dot of the Anitas. I got one more color in mind, and then I'm going to tell you guys as I go along, hopefully, that there's a monthly drawing. And the prizes show. Woo! The prizes show and are included in the exhibition video, a brand new exhibition video every month. I'm going to put some green in and see what happens. That came out really fast. Probably still be okay. Or else. Probably right here. That came out really fast too. Again. I got 1 minute left, and I want to finish. Shh. So you guys are going to be gone soon. Thank you for all the donations to help keep me painting. Thank you. I got to make some more my cell mixture up. Thank you for thank you for all the wonderful comments. Visit my 1800 videos on my YouTube channel. You can find them on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. Shop my Amazon link to help me out. Find my 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Know that I love you, and if you give me thumbs up, I love you more. Please share my videos, watch them longer, and when the notifications come out, if you can, if you want to help me out, watch the commercials too. Your comments help me. Your donations have helped me keep painting. Thank you so much. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are all in the link tree. I want to zoom in. I got one more thing to blow out, but I'm sure you can imagine that it's going to be pretty cool. I love you guys. There we go. Check that out. The cells are mind-blowing. And completely awesome.